Hello world. You are watching TechGorb. We are the greedy tech geeky. In today's video, we are going to show how to get a missing driver or update drivers on a Windows PC for free. There are many paid software available to do this job, but this one is totally free. Let's begin. Go to Google search and search for Drivers Cloud. Click on the first link. Then click on Scanning and Drivers Download. Then click on Start Detection, as shown in the video. Click on Automatic Installation. Or you may select Manual Installation, as well. Drivers Cloud software will be downloaded. You may install the software, as shown in the video, and follow the steps. After installation, you'll see this screen. Click on Launch Detection. It will scan your system for current drivers. Please like, share, subscribe, and help us grow to share more content like this. After scanning is completed, a browser will be opened and the results will be there. You can see there are updates or missing drivers available. And in the bottom, you can see the recommended downloads. You can choose which drivers you want to download. Or you can choose from here as well. Then click on Download, and the browser will prompt to open the Drivers Cloud. And the download will begin. Once the download is complete, the folder will open where all the downloaded drivers will be located. You can install and update the requisite drivers. I hope you like the video and it was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe.